Why is everything moving so fast now? My thoughts, they're everywhere in my head. God, my hands are shaking. I need to lie down. Lie down. I have to stay down. Always helps. Rapid breaths. This is not good. I need to breathe. Calm down. Everything is fine. I can feel my legs. Okay. Deep breaths. I should call someone. Parents, I don't want to bother them. My friends, will they understand?
Some people don't want to bother their friends or family when the final attack is coming. All of them have different reasons. Maybe they don't want to be bored, they're afraid that no one will understand them, and so on. But the alternative of being alone with your thoughts is also not good. So we try to find the middle ground where you are not alone but also not bothering anyone. A nap is the ideal way to do it because everyone always has their phone with them. We did a lot of research for our app to ensure that the best techniques are presented to you. We spoke to therapists and she described in more detail the techniques that work best for her clients, and we try to replicate them through our app.
Mental health is a topic that the majority of people deal with nowadays. It's human nature to want to keep your feelings at bay, but being in control is easier said than done. This is why we created Your Panic Support, an app to help you through your struggles. Our project relates to the third United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which is ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Living a healthy life isn't just about physical condition. Sustaining a healthy mindset is also crucial. In fact, studies show that when a person is in a good state of mind, their physical health can improve considerably. Our goal is to help people cope with their emotions in order to improve overall happiness.
There are a lot of other similar apps out there. So when we first came up with the idea, we decided to do some research to see exactly what those other apps are. TERAA and Psych app. TERAA, although it's one of the best apps out there, isn't free, so it isn't available for everyone who needs it. Psych app offers information on panic attacks, so it helps with prevention. All of these apps are great, but they might not work for everyone. In our app, you will find one function that minimizes negative impact and maximizes positive impact, and therefore makes our app better for anyone. We offer our customers choices. We make sure to always ask the user which function they think might help them most.
To receive feedback, we used several techniques. First, we created a Reddit account. We posted the questions and a couple people answered. The second way we received feedback was through Google Forms. We got a lot of answers back and they helped us a lot with planning our app. Since the customer always comes first and the public opinion is very important, we knew that our app had to revolve around these answers.
The more advanced we got with our project, the more ideas we had. Unfortunately, most of those ideas didn't make it into the final app because we simply didn't have enough time to make them. By far, our biggest goal is to create a forum in which our users can create an account and then share tips, experiences, and suggestions to other users, so we can really create a safe space for people with depression, anxiety, and panic attacks in general.